So how to manage stock levels on KashFlow? When we go to sales invoices, sales codes, if we want to manage stock levels for our products like product book and canvas, so we need to enable stock management option. So way how we can do it, we go to settings, and under configuration settings there is stock options, and you need to tick the one which is applicable. In my case, I want enable stock management features and save settings. So now when we go back to our sales codes, quantities in stock is available here. So online course and monthly subscription is not actual touchable product, so stock management will apply only for books and canvas. So when we click on product book, we can now select or tick manage stock levels. And if we have already in our stock books, you can add quantities here. For example, if I have one book in stock and I want an alert coming up when, for example, quantity drops below 5, the message will be provided saying that your stock level is going down. And you need to select increment stock levels on purchase. That means that once invoice is recorded for this particular product group, so product books, it will increase your stock level from 1 to whatever quantity you have purchased. So if we have purchased 5, this will go up to 6. And click update. So if you will not select increment stock levels on purchase, it will not add to your stock levels. So you need to select increment stock levels on purchase. Click update. So it is showing that there is 1 in stock, and the same for canvas. Manage stock levels, quantity in stock, we'll say 5 at the moment, and increment stock levels on purchase, and update. So this is a way how you can enable your stock levels. And when you will go through sales invoices and sales codes before you issue invoices to your customers, you will be able to see what is your current stock levels for particular products, and also to do a stock control and check if you have actually in stock the quantities as matching with your KashFlow system.